Hello everyone. The next program is the how to create the chatbot by using the Python AI. First, you have to install these two library, pip install chatbot and pip install chatterbot underscore corpus. Is a prototype or it used for the different input statement or also give the response. This corpus is also used for the test for the boat train for training the boat. Okay. Next, these are the library. These are the two libraries. So first is a from Chatterbox import chatbot and from chatterbox.trainer and import chatterbot corpus trainer. And next is import time. It is not necessary that you have to import the time because I have getting problem uh, after run this programs. That's why I am using the import time because it show there is a clock and time error. So I use this module import time. First you use these two library module. If you get any problem time and clock, then you import this one. Okay, then I am using first we run is working, then time dot clock equal, then time dot time pass the time, it's also working, then create the chatbot. And this is the variable name. You can give anything where I pass use the chatbot where I pass the any name. I give the my chatbot, so it's give the NLTK or then it give the all these things that there is a where is the data and downloading package, everything. Next is import collection.abc. It also show the error. In my case, I am using the Jupyter notebooks. If you not get any error that you did not need, you need to use this um, module. In my case, it is give the error. That's why I import the collection.abc. Is a collection.abc means abstract um, base class. Dot abc means abstract base class. It is a use for the container. This is the module where we provide the abstract base class that can be used for the test whether the class provide a particular interface. Because I'm getting this the hashable problem, it shows that there is no any hashable. That's why I use this module where I pass the collection dot hashable equal sign that collection dot abc hashable. Okay. First you use without this module. If you get any error, then you use this module. Then I'm using the train the chatbot. So it's give the some files. YML, AI, artificial intelligence, board profile dot YML. These are the file. You can open this file and go to the Python path, and then they you search the YML file. Computer, it give the all description of the computer, which is sentences used for the computer. So it give the all things about the conversation dot YML emotional. It's give the emotional sentence. So these are the all files which is use this chatbot. Now I am testing the chatbot. So this is the variable. This is the my first variable where I create the chatbot, and that dot get response where I pass the some sentence. then I print the response. So it's give the I have failed at many time, I have tired. If you write anything, it's a so it's give the I am from where all software program and from a galaxy far and far away. It's give the answer. This is the chatbot give the response. If you say next is a there I train the chatbot. Then I want to customize the data that this chatbot use the my data. I give that these all are the sentence. It use it. So where I pass the from chatbot dot trainer because I am train the chatbot and import list trainer because I am giving the these list is this list is used for the greeting if we give use for the greeting this one greeting.yml file. So I customize the data that it create a new file with you give the any name. So it give the list trainer is give it's give the
Thank you
100%.
very much.